Hello everybody, welcome back to All Things Shazzy. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications and give this video a thumbs up. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious Cajun Chicken Alfredo Rice. Here's the materials that you will need. I am also going to put these items in the description box below. Okay, I started off by putting some olive oil in a pan and heated it up. And then I went ahead and added the chicken breast into the pan. We're just going to go ahead and let these cook, flipping in between until they're done. Okay, as I'm flipping, you see me using my tongs to like poke it a bit. This just helps the heat to get into the inside quicker, just to help them to cook a bit faster. Okay, so now that these are done, I went ahead and took them out the pan. I am going to use the seasoning that's left in the pan from the chicken from cooking. This is definitely going to enhance the flavor of this dish. I did add a little bit more olive oil to the pan. I'm using a lot of onions. Y'all don't have to use this many onions, but I absolutely love onions. Adding in some crushed garlic. Just gonna go ahead and mix it up and let it cook down. I am now adding some basil and some Cajun seasoning, and also I added a little bit of smoked paprika. This is 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream, and we're just gonna go ahead and mix that up. Okay, so adding in my Sazon seasoning, and I'm also adding some garlic powder because I love garlic just as much as I love onions. I am also adding in just a little bit more Cajun seasoning and also some black pepper, 1.5 cups of chicken broth. You can also use vegetable broth or whatever type of broth you want to use. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix that up. So after allowing that to simmer for 4 minutes, I am now going to add a teaspoon of cornstarch just to thicken it up a bit. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix that in. Allow it to simmer again, letting it come to like a little simmer boil, I guess you can say. I did go ahead, and now you see me stirring it again because I did forget to turn my camera back on, and I added in a cup of Parmesan cheese, and I just mixed that in. And so now adding in the chicken breast that we had cooked earlier. As you can see, I am pouring like the grease from the chicken breast in there as well. That definitely gives it more flavor, especially once you add it to the rice. So I am going to go ahead and just flip these over and let these just simmer for a bit too, just letting the sauce just sink on in. And I did let these simmer for 15 minutes on medium heat. So it's really not a simmer, right y'all? But whatever. But they cooked on medium heat for 15 minutes. Okay, so as those are done simmering, I'm just going to add in 3 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to let this butter go ahead and melt. And once it's melted, now it is all done. It looks so good, y'all. It smells so good. Well, y'all know how chicken Alfredo tastes, right? So this is exactly what this is. We just added some Cajun seasoning to it, made it a little bit more spicier to give it more flavor. And added it to the rice. I did use some jasmine rice, and here it is. Yummy. We are going to tear this up. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and share it. See you next time. Bye.